Welcome to this question. 100 divided by 1 by 50 times 50. Try to solve this tricky math question later on and comment your answer to get featured in this shortcut list. Okay. If you want to solve, many solve like this: 100 divided by 1 by 50 times 50. 50 times 1, 50 times 1, and 100 divided by 1, which equals to 100. So do you think this is the right answer, or you are solving in a right way? No, this is not the right way. So I will show you how to solve this in a right way, or you say by order of operations and PEMDAS. We will rewrite our question here. We will solve with the help of PEMDAS here. Okay. As we know, multiplication and division have the same priority, and here we can see division and multiplication, two operations are there. So in that case, we have to operate from left to right, and also when we operating left side, here we can see there is a fraction, that is 1 by 50. So we will use here KCF, keep change flip. So according to KCF, we will keep 100 as it is, and this division sign will be changed to multiplication, and we will flip that 1 by 50 into 50 by 5 times 50. Now let's repeat. Okay, now you can simply write 100 times 50 times 50, or 100 times 50, which equals to 5000, times 50, which equals to nothing but 25,000. Okay, sorry, $250,000, or you can say 250k. Okay, so here right answer is 250k. This is the right answer, and must check out this best product link for seniors in the description. Like this video and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.